You are recording. So, made it a little bit easier on me. I bought a little 99-cent thing of white nail polish at the grocery store. Just to put a little dab on the dots so I can get those lined up to get, start off as TDC on one. And then also did a little line on the balancer so I can see that a little bit easier on the timer. And then on the timing cover, there's the marks for the timer, for timing. And I touched those up with a little bit of white, that same white paint, just in the hopes of being able to see it all a little bit easier. Alright, so the step is to get super messy. Use a little bit of engine lube, assembly lube, each of these guys. Go in together. Feels like it wants to go in. There. Ooh, I got my fingers out of there. Ooh, okay. I think I got it. Now, I have been soaking all the lifters in oil, but I'm going to go ahead and dab just a little bit of assembly lube in here. You're like my proctologist. Dab of assembly lube. Rockers ride. Slide these guys in. It's 19 foot-pounds. That's not a lot. Oh, son of a biscuit. Leaned up against this thing.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Okay.
What we got?
Have a nice little trip.
She sent me a picture of my finished cup this morning. It's awesome. Can't wait to do it.
I can't wait to steal it from you and use it all the time like you do my cups.
Well, it says Aaron on it.
Speaking of Cabela's.
Yeah, I do love that cup.
Making a mess. Oh. Alright, see how I can mess this guy up. Alright, so this actually only goes in one way, just so you know. And that's why I drew a little arrow, figured out which way it goes, and marked it so I can put it back in. And I think you just kind of catch this lip here, line up the best you can. This is going to go inside of that rubber. Like that. And these holes should hold it in place, I think. Maybe not. There we go, that one kind of popped in. I think I will just stuff a couple of bolts in. Try to help keep this lock up. It's everywhere. Okay. Just don't bend like I used to. All right, so either I was insanely excessive. Ooh, forgot this guy over here. Oh my gosh. That could have ended in disaster. But it looks like you're gonna need what comes with the kit and a large tube. I'm sure I was being excessive, but I don't know. If it can be done, it can be overdone. Haha. Alright, internets, wish me luck. Woo! Slide forward just a hair. I think I got it. Okay. Okay. That's good. All right. That line. There's a dowel. There's a dowel. Okay. There we go. Put him right side up. Get him lined up. Start bolt number 1, number 2, 3. These are the big ones that go all the way through and into the block. Now, we'll be able to get these guys started. Yep, yep. That would work. But that one won't. That also won't. Okay, so the bolts that go through the timing cover or at the timing cover into the block all torque to 25 foot-pounds. These little guys that just hold in the water pump to the timing cover, not the ones that go through the timing cover into the block, but these little ones are these little guys are 48 inch-pounds torque to spec. So, all right,